Hello. In my previous video, I had shown you how to load data, you know, how to load data and do some cleaning. Thereafter, we did a video on how to how to do a bar chart. So in this video, we're going to handle how to do a line chart, something similar, but now this time around we want to do. If you look at our data, we have something here. We have data. We have date, that is time. You can notice this 209, there is 2011, this is 2012. So our data runs between 209 and 2012, and we want to know how our profit levels between the 3 years, that is 2009, 2010, 11 and 12, actually 4 years. So we want to know that, and then thereafter try and do a profit per year. We want to see exactly when how was the performance in a certain year, how was the performance all through the years. So let's go straight into it. So as I said before, so we want now today we're doing line charts for all the years and for specific years. But first, what we need to do is now do a gplot. We're doing a gplot, of course. That's the library we're using to plot our chart. Then of course data is the data that we've loaded here. You can notice this is the data we've loaded. Then we still have to put aesthetics. By aesthetics, we're trying to specify the characteristics of our line chart. What is it? What is our x? What is our y? And what else do we want to be specifying? So x in this case will be order date. So we go check. So our x will be order date. So straight into it. So order date, then our y, then our y should be profit. So after that, we add line and say on the line, please, the color, let's specify color to be red, then size to be 1. Then after we've added the line, next is theme. We need to put it at minimal. Then we need to add now the labs. And on the labs, we need to have a title. What do you call our map? It's a line chart for profit over the years. Then we need to have our x, which is our x label will be years. Then our y label to be profit levels. So then so this is for generally plotting the whole, for the years. So if you run this, then we have a plot order date not found. Okay, so I knew, the problem is on there. That is the D is capital. Then you run that line chart. Okay, something is wrong here. Okay, the reason why we got that chart is so there's a problem in specifying our y. Yes, we did a good job in writing the y, but our y should be put in these marks. You notice, So let's actually delete the Y part. So the Y should be profit. Yes, because now the quotation marks are different from what we were drawing. Yeah. So if you run that, then that's it. So this is our Y. This is our line chart for over the years, for the 4 years. That is 2009, 2010, 2011, and 2012. 2013, there's no data. This is the December for 2012. So this is the line chart. But now, for instance, this one might be general. That might be too general to show anything significant. So, for instance, we want to tell the management team that now, can we please do some specific, some line chart for specific year. So how do we do that? The first thing we do is we need to now filter. So filter out data for specific year. For specific year. Yeah. So how do you do that? You come and say, now let's call the second data, the filter data, let's call it DF 2012. Yeah. And then we define this by saying, pick the same data, but inside the data, please, you filter based on this format. So the format will be data, but please don't forget to pick the order date. Then after you've picked the order date, then return a string in years, and then the format, and then whenever there's in this string, whenever there's that string, sorry, this has to be inside. Yeah. So this, whenever there's this whatever in those strings that you're returning, ensure we have 2012 in that string. Anything else, please just ignore it. So we're creating a new data frame that only has 2012, the year 2012. So all the months in 2012 will be created. So if we run this, we have a new data frame that only has 2012. If you notice on the order date, we only have 2012, nothing else. So then, now that we've specified now the new data set. So what we change here on the other plot so that we can have specific here is now we are picking data set for 2012 only. What else are we picking? Yeah, I think that's the only thing we're changing. If we plot that, then we have a new plot. But we also need to change and say profit level for profit level for 2012. Sorry, 2012. Then years, yeah. Okay, we can actually even write 20 the year 2012. Yeah. Then profit levels, yeah. I think that's okay. So if you run that, that should give us a plot, the year 2012. So the profit levels, the profit margin, what has been happening, how the company has performed in the year 2012. So this is how you do a plot. For instance, if you wanted to change any other year, feel free to change into the year that you want to see, and then see if you've understood the plotting, how to do the plot. But for now, join me in my next video to do other visuals for the same data set. And